This week we answer a question from Noel from France. He writes, "Can you explain the difference between matter, problem, and issue?" In English lessons, these three words come often in the conversation, and I am never sure which I have to use. Thank you in advance for the explanation, and thank you very much for the daily news and lessons. Noel, France. Dear Noel, as a learner of English, you probably wonder, why does the language have so many words with similar meanings? One reason is that some words are more common in formal or official settings than others. Let me start with problem, the least formal of the words that you asked about. Problem is a word that you can use in many different situations. A problem is a difficulty to overcome or a question to solve. We may say, for example, the poor economy has caused social problems. Or you could ask somebody this question if they look unhappy. What's the problem? There are many words that are close in meaning to problem, such as trouble or challenge. A more formal word that sometimes has the same meaning as problem is issue. It can mean a topic or subject. At meetings, issue is used for an important problem that people debate or talk about. You may hear political candidates use this word, as in this example. My opponent does not make clear statements on the issues. We can also use issue to talk about things that a large number of people care about. For example, ocean scientists spoke on the environmental issue of plastic pollution. Matter is a more formal way of saying topic or material. The word matter can have a more neutral or a positive meaning than problem or issue, as in, we will discuss the matter of awards in the next meeting. However, matter is also an informal way of saying problem when we ask a question like, "What's the matter?" When you are trying to decide which of the three words to use, ask yourself, how formal is this situation? If it is informal, then use the word problem. When talking about a political subject or a debate topic, you may use the word issue. If the situation is more formal or a legal discussion, or you are talking about something that is not a problem, use the word matter. And that is Ask a Teacher for this week. What question do you have about English? Send us an email at learningenglish@voanews.com. I'm Jill Robbins.